you will end up marrying this person. For some of you, you may have felt like giving up along the way because things may have been stopping and starting. You may have felt like things weren't built on stable ground in regards to this individual. You may have felt like this person was very immature and they didn't have the same morals that you wanted within a person. They didn't have the same morals that you had. You felt like you couldn't trust them. For some of you, they were in and out of a job. So you thought to yourself, how can we plan a future? For others of you, they may have said to you, I don't want to commit. I don't want to be in a relationship. You know, this person was just acting nonchalant. For some of you, doing the most, making it be known that they want to be single. Making it be known that they weren't on your level in a mature way. And refusing to do the work. They felt triggered by you. And because of your connection, you made this person connect to parts of themselves that they were trying to run away from. And for some of you, it got too much and you disconnected. You will reconnect with this individual. Now, for some of you, I'm hearing that you have actually reconnected with this person because during your absence, this person has realized that no one compares to you. You connect to this person's inner child. And for some of you, you date this person when you were younger and this person will come back in. Because to be fair, this person was lost without you. Their life was going downhill. They felt like they were better than you in the past. Now, for some of you, I'm picking up that this could be a past partner. You were connected to an individual and you were trying to make a situation work. The situation wasn't going anywhere. This person was not on your level in any way, any shape or form. They may have acted as if they were mature. They may have acted as if they wanted the same things as you. They were mirroring you. But when you got to know this person, you realize that this person was spiritually bankrupt. You know, they were mean-spirited. They were selfish with their emotions. They were selfish with their money. And because of their inner wounds, their mother wounds, they tried to destroy you. They tried to break you down. And for some of you, it worked. And you had to pick yourself up from this trauma that you experienced with this individual. And this person is yearning for you. Now, this is not the person that you're going to marry. Don't worry. But Spirit is saying that you may have felt like that was your lot, dealing with individuals like this individual. But Spirit is saying, no, we haven't forgotten about you. You went through what you went through to prepare you for the blessings that is before you. After that situation, you worked on yourself. You poured into yourself. Your first relationship was with yourself, so that you will be ready for the next encounter. Spirit was lining you up to connect with someone that was on your level, someone that was high caliber like yourself, someone that was a match, not cold, detached, emotionless partners, narcissistic partners. Spirit was like, that cycle's out. Because you love yourself, because you're loving yourself, we're going to find someone to love you equally. Because whatever you give to yourself, you're going to get it back. You're not going to get with someone that just wants to be with you for clout reasons. You're not going to get with someone that is lazy and wants you to do all the work or wants to financially abuse you. We're not going to pair you up with someone that's going to make you upset and depressed. Now, we're going to pair you up with someone that has done the healing work. And you will marry this person. Some of you may know this person right now. And they're coming out of a time of healing. And this person is serious about you. This person is in love with you. It's becoming more than a crush. Some people are not going to be happy about this connection. It could be an ex-partner or someone that does not want this person to heal and transform. They will still try and block this connection. They'll be shocked that you settle down with this person because of their plots, plans and schemes. But they're going to have to accept that the universe is going to be blessing you abundantly because of what you went through in the past. Congratulations.